Is your garden biodiversity positive?
Biodiversity describes the richness and the variety of life on Earth.
It's the most complete and most important feature of our planet.
Without biodiversity, life on Earth is not sustainable.
Can you imagine a world where every person looked after the biodiversity in their own garden?
Be part of a worldwide movement to create a planet of biodiversity gardens.
Here's how you can improve your biodiversity rating.
Rate and improve your biodiversity garden by using these 20 steps.
Add a pond for animals to drink from.
And for endemic animals to breed in.
Put a Toadsaver in your swimming pool.
Use mesh and marine silicone glue.
Plant locally endemic plants and reduce alien plants in your garden.
Endemic plants provide essential food for native animals.
Drive slowly to avoid animals being run over.
Keep pets away from baby birds.
Put a bird bath in your garden.
Make openings in barrier walls to allow small animals to move between gardens.
Create an exclusion zone which is only for biodiversity.
Make homes for animals.
Avoid mowing your verge in spring.
Small animals rely on long grass to shelter from heat and predators.
Install an owl box.
Place a bat box in your garden.
Plant a vegetable patch.
Don't use pesticides. Predators will eat your bugs for free.
Say no to rat poison. Predators can die from eating a rat that's been poisoned.
Avoid using artificial feeders. Reduce outdoor lighting as it can interfere with natural animal behavior.
Keep your pets inside at night. A bell on your cat to prevent it from eating wildlife.
Cover drains with mesh to avoid animals being harmed or trapped.
Be kind to and don't feed wild animals. Rate your garden out of 20 and put your score in the comments below.
Together we can rewild the world with biodiversity.
Rewilding the world is simpler than you might think, and the changes that we have to make will only benefit ourselves and the generations that follow. A century from now, our planet could be a wild place again. By David Attenborough.